Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. I'm on vacation in Massachusetts. Well, here is where the new or old Whydah Museum is now located, is right in Yarmouth. So it's on the north part heading out of Yarmouth. So they closed the one on the pier in Provincetown. So now it's located here. And who knew? I thought it was there in Provincetown. I guess from what I understand, they closed a year ago. But they still own the property, but they've got to rent it out to a shark something or other. All right, so they're probably not gonna let me do any videoing inside, but at least we can get to this point. And for our safety, filming pirates, masks are required inside the museum. Thank you. Alright, so I gotta go get my mask. I'm not sure exactly who's who in these videos, but we'll get that explained inside. But he wasn't a peg leg, was he?
I don't know if he was a peg leg.
I think these are just general. Okay, so we are in the entrance of the Whydah Museum. These individuals have been traced down to be actual individuals. And there's the captain there. There's Bellamy. Get in there far enough on it for his little story. We're waiting for the introduction video to restart over. And there's one of the anchors of the Whydah. There we go. John King must have been the youngest member of the tour. All right. So one last shot of the inside. Gotta add this one here. And this is Barry Clifford. All right, finished that. There's a good 2 hours in there. Very educational. For those that loved anything to do with pirates, this will give you a reality check on the pirates of the day. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And we're continuing on our journey to Plymouth. I'm going to head to the Plymouth Mayflower. We're out of here.